Hi, to answer and end calls with buttons on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, firstly we need to open this phone app, and here take a look at the upper panel. You should see those three dots, just tap it and go in the settings. After that, you should scroll a bit and find the setting answering and ending calls. And now you can see these two features. Press volume up to answer calls and press say button to end calls. So to enable them, we just need to tap on those switchers so it will become green like that. And after that, we can save the changes by simply going back. So let's try this out. I'm gonna make a call to myself, and now let's use volume up button to answer this call. And yep, it's working. So now let's use this side button to end call, and call is ended. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.